Walas mo na ako ng armpit ko.
Yeah!
Ay! Good, pero siyang naka-host.
Wait lang. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Another vlog, another me, and another episode here in my channel. So for today's episode, we're gonna be applying makeup on my sister. Yay! Since I've already put makeup, so I don't think I will be needing any of that anymore, and that's why we decided to just
Ba't nag-over-explain ka pa? Okay na. Obvious naman ito. Ang ganda-ganda mo today.
There's a twist, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have her hands at the back, and I'm gonna be sitting behind her.
Basta, her arms on my face. Okay?
Yeah.
Her hands on my face.
Yeah.
Dapat siguro nagpunas mo na ako ng armpit ko. No?
Okay, so maybe we'll be the one instructing me what to do, and I have to follow whatever.
Bakit parang medyo sexy itong ginagawa natin? Skincare muna tayo.
Skincare? You didn't put skincare.
Basic lang, men. Basic lang. Kunin mo yung spray doon. Yan.
You have to explain. Like, you
Get
have
that
to...
spray. Oh,
This
yan.
one.
Oo. Ay, wait lang. Yung bangs ko. May spray. May spray. Roll mo yung bangs ko. Yun.
I'm gonna do this.
Gusto mo ah?
Wait,
Abot mo ba?
is it supposed to be like this?
Basta dumiyan. Okay.
Oh!
Uy, guys, I cannot see myself ah.
Okay, it looks good. It looks good. Okay, spray first, right?
Shake mo muna.
Shake, 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 shake.
Oh, tapos i-spray. Wait, i-make mo na ko
Close your
tapat.
eyes.
Okay, pwede yan.
Good.
Tapos i-moisturize.
Like this?
Gagi, hindi. Yung lotion. Yung ginagamit ko na yung dogs ko pa. Wait, ano ba? Ayun. Hindi, yung moisturizer na. Yan.
This one.
Huwag na tayo mag-toner. Mamaya na ako mag-toner. Tatanggalin ko rin after. Bawal ka tumingin.
See?
Okay, hindi ka ata. Okay na, okay na. Yuck. Kasamahot ko. Parang maganda yung base ng makeup, diba? Kasi today, our makeup is, ano ba yan?
Malay pa. Oh my god.
Wow. Choke me. Sige. Go. I'll give you myself. Ayan. Okay, this is new eh. This one's new.
So you want to try this?
Ay, no. Oh, and you get Luna's toy first.
No, my hands are gonna get dirty. You don't mind?
Ako na lang.
No, you can.
Ano ba yun? Kinikilig sa arms ko eh. Tingnan mo. And you pat it on my face. Yan. Is this my shade? I just bought this sabi kasi ng real shade ko daw to.
Oh my god. You need this. Okay.
Ako built naman na mirror para makita ko yung sarili ko. Ang dami putik. Iyan naman. Takot. Gandahan mo yung application.
I should have like tied your hair first.
Dapat mo yung gagawa niyan.
I forgot. That's the basic.
Tapos tinali mo yung kamay ko, hindi yung...
Can I see? Oh, you look good.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot this part.
You forgot all the part dito rin eh.
Wait, am I supposed to see this?
I don't know.
I think I'm supposed to be blind.
Folder?
Folder, right?
Folder.
Right?
Folder. Ba't ka naging blindfolder?
Hindi kaya.
Ako yung nakatali sa likod pero siyang naka-host. Double kidnap.
Wait, okay, game.
So ito yung shade na. Patingin mo, pakita mo. Hindi pink, shade pink. Tapos, konti konti parang dahan-dahan lang. Little by little. Yan. Up. Okay, next. Yan, galing ako. Bibili ko talaga yung sarili kong cheekbones bago ko yun. Yan, I'm gonna put it back, close it up, and put it down. There you go. And then I'm gonna blend it with my own fingers. So I'm gonna do the twinkle fingers first.
This is the twinkle.
Oh, ganun. Yan, ganyan, yan. Bakit gesture ko? Di mo naman nakikita yung ginagawa ko. Yeah, just do that. Okay, yeah. Ay, okay, wow. Sari-sarili mo to. This is very blendable, so just take your time with it, especially we can't see what we're doing. Gusto mo tissue? That's good enough. Yeah, tissue yan. Okay, now I'm gonna grab some concealer. Jen. Yeah, nope. Next bottle. Yeah, there you go. Yan. Tapos, ito, dahan-dahan lang. Yan, dahan-dahan lang kasi baka mag-leak sa white shirt ko. Yan, okay na. Wala na product, pero okay na. Yeah, oh, okay, good. And under my eye, 1. Oh, you stay there, I'll come to you. Stay. Oh, yan, pwede na yan. So, konti lang, dubudot. Ganyan.
And then?
Yan. Yan. Tapos sa side, siguro sa pimple ko dun kasi may pimple ako today. Alam mo ba kung nasaan?
Here?
Hindi, dun. Yan, tama. Ay, sige, dami.
Here?
Hindi, wala dyan. Ako na, magagalaw.
Can come to me?
Wait, and then yung bridge ng nose ko kasi pango tayo. Yun. And then, yung side din na mouth ko actually, sige, ganyan baka, ay, sige, okay na.
There?
Pwede na yan. Now, I'm gonna use a brush to blend it.
Brush?
Ba't sasalta yung arms ko? Oh. The white, yeah, that one. The white one, parang alam mo, yan, the different. Ngayon lang ako kumain ng products nun. Ay, yeah. Yun. Thumbs up. Yes. High five. Hindi, high five sa sarili ko. Yun. One more time. Yun. Now we're gonna do contour na tayo. Very easy. I'm gonna get this palette that I got from Caroline. So it's a rectangle. This is the one. Very, very easy to carry around. Blush, contour, and highlights all in middle palette. And yep, there you go. So we're gonna top it up sa cheek skull. Focusing on the higher peak of my cheek. Cheek. Yan. Ay, over. Ang laki ba ng face ko? Yan. Wait. Patagi. Ay. Okay. You can also put on my eye if you want. So, malayo ang eyeshadow.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Do you want?
Just put the pink one as well then. Just put it over my eye.
You mean this
Yeah,
blush?
just pink then. You could put more, man. You barely dabbed anything on it.
Yeah. I'm scared I might go over.
Hey, that's a highlight.
This one, right?
Mm,
This one?
No, that's a highlight.
This one?
That's a contour, man.
This one.
Yeah, this. Okay, stop. Dami niyan. Go. The eyebrows. Yan, okay. Ano ba yan? Grabe naman, over the nose bridge din ate. May contour tayo. Wow, ano to? Red, bidugbog. Okay na yan. Sige,
Okay.
happy na.
One more?
No, mag-contour na tayo. Yeah, okay. Tap. Tapos sa nose bridge ko. Yeah, okay. Oh, wow, okay.
Yes!
And so yun na yung kinakontour ko lang yung nose ko, pababa ng ganyan. Para naman meron tayo ay, ano ba yan? Tama na. Ginagawa na akong basurero. There's nothing wrong with that. Just saying. Pero, ganyan yung gusto ko ngayon. Okay. Tapos, saan ka? Ba't nag-contour ko ulit?
Oh my god.
Ilan ba yung nose ko?
What about your cheekbone?
Ah, okay. Ang galing alam mo saan yung cheekbone.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, other side. Above ba? Wow, galing mo!
Really?
Oo, galing.
Can't breathe with this.
Can't breathe. Naku, hostage.
Can't breathe.
Love you.
Guys, I
Huwag
can't
mo ko
see you.
tingnan. You can't see me, right?
Wait, let me just fix my glasses.
Yeah, tell me that. Now she's gonna grab my I'm gonna grab my eyeliner, which is on. No, that's a brush, bro. There you go. Yep, there you go. This one. Oh, surprise kishy. Surprise kishy.
Nalulunod ako kay Luna.
Wala akong makeup.
Wait, Luna! What you want?
Sabi, why? Ay! Luna!
so sweet, Luna.
I've been a long time no see. Okay. So, corner lang na eye ko. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes.
Yeah, I don't even know if I have anything. this. Why are you laughing?
The other eyes.
Oh no!
Okay. Perfect.
Nice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tagal? lipstick. I'm gonna use 2 lipsticks for my lips. Huh?
This one.
No, the first one is the Sunny's lipstick. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I'm gonna roll it up. It's the bullet lipstick. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna put it on my.
Wait. Correct?
Oh, correct. Okay, so I'll just.
Can you do that?
And then I'm gonna top it up with this vegan gloss that I really love.
This one?
It's very perfect for marina girlies like me. Okay na yan. Okay na.
Did I apply anything?
Yeah, you did. Hababa. I'm kidding. Okay na. Ay, kagi. Okay, perfect. Perfect na. This is the final look. We can think of my talent na siguro. For final look. Okay. So this is the final look, guys. So she hasn't seen me yet, and I haven't seen myself as well. So this will be the very first time that I'm gonna have a mirror ready here for me, and
Okay.
and I count to 3. We're gonna have it,
Okay.
revealed.
3.
1, 2, 3, go.
You actually look so pretty! Oh my god, you look so good!
Bro, ang pangit ng lipstick ko, tapos yung blush ko dito.
The eyeliner though. But it's like it suits you.
Anong suits me, mong? Taas, sabi ko, keep it everything high.
Oh my god, it looks so good! I think I did a good job. How would you rate this? Her foundation.
I was about to say,
Whoa!
this looks good. Tapos pag tingin mo,
This
hindi pala
foundation
siya
is so
pantay.
nice. It's really nice. You don't like it? Why are you thinking so much?
Parang maganda yung may muta pa ako, di mo
But I
sinabi.
like the eyeliner, how I have like a wing there.
The way.
This one is more of like, what do you call
Parang
it?
banner sa
It looks so nice. Yun nga.
My God, yung pati yung bangs ko, iba na yung shape nila.
Wait, she looks so pretty.
Parang ano siya, transformation
Without
video.
if you put your bands like that, you can't really see the foundation naman.
Yung bangs ko, okay ba ba?
Close up, guys.
Pati lipstick ko, hindi pantay, man.
Oh my god. Pero you look so pretty.
Ano ba yan?
Eyeliner though.
Sinong tingin na pretty to?
Alright, everybody. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this vlog. Please give us a like, share it, comment, and anything. Subscribe to my channel.
To her channel.
Bye!
Thank you!
Give us a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, just comment below.
Sabihin ng pangit, no? Pangit, no?
It looks nice.